So the benefits we've seen of separating our waste here at Festive is a reduction in the municipal waste, which is the general waste. Obviously, we're not sending as much to landfill, and that figure is growing.
I'm extremely proud of them here, and they've really made inroads to the recycling rate, and I think that they will only do better and better in the years to come.
Recycling systems we put in place are the new mini recycling centres in each department we have around the site, and they consist of one for cardboard, plastic, and then we got one for tins, we got one for food waste, and then we've also got them for general waste as well.
We made certain that the signage were extremely clear, and the recycling bins themselves have been brightly coloured, and they're the same colours in different areas.
For the staff, it's become second nature to them now, which is fantastic. I think the main aim of this is our planet to be safer and cleaner and have a brighter future for our children.